So you're probably wondering, what is the YouTube thanks button? Well, here I'm going to explain. The YouTube thanks button has been appearing in videos recently in the UK, so here's what it does. For a while now, in live streams you've been able to send a super chat, but now you can send a super chat on a non-live stream video to show your support for the channel. Here's how you do it. You just go down and click the thanks button, select the amount you wish to donate, enter in your payment details, and click buy now. And now your super thanks will appear in the comments. Yay! So why not try it out on this video? Hit the thanks button, leave a donation, because it allows me to buy more beer. See you next time. So keep watching and liking if you love it, subscribing.